Hey guys, crypto episode 74. If you don't like drops, then you can't play in this market, can you? This is down 32,000 on the week. Did go a little bit lower yesterday. So I went up from the 345 last week to nearly 370. And then just yesterday down to 291. So I always get a bit wary about sort of moves on the upside over the weekend, and sort of similarly don't really trust down moves on the weekend either. I tend to think the institutions are running the most of the show now. So yeah, CME futures is closed at sort of 53.5, and we're sitting at sort of 49 at the moment. So we'll see what happens tonight when they open again. But yeah, I think this is sort of seen as a whale, sort of, it seems, a single, maybe one or two entities dumping a load onto exchanges yesterday. Went to $42,000 as a sort of low for about 5 minutes by the looks of it. And then sort of came back and has been slowly recovering ever since. But yeah, 4,000 Bitcoin sort of dumped onto one exchange. So yeah, not sure what exactly is going on. Tether, interestingly, is not sort of reducing in its market cap. It's had sort of spikes around $1, which is just sort of part of the selling. But interestingly, they're minting new Tether, which generally would be a sign of sort of people adding cash. So yeah, I think they're up $800 million in the last in this morning actually. So it wasn't sort of entirely related to yesterday. So we'll see what happens with that. Generally, sort of over the bull run, sort of earlier in the year, Tether was consistently increasing. So yeah, we'll see where we go over the next sort of week or two, if people are going to buy the dip. So Bitcoin's down 9%. It's not too bad. That's what's obviously caused most of the drop, but some of the altcoins have fared a hell of a lot worse. Ethereum actually up 4% for the week, so it's going up in Bitcoin value. A lot of people see this as sort of bullish for the altcoins, which is fair enough. Cardano down 8%, slightly better than Bitcoin. OMG is one of the ones that's got hit, nearly 18% down. Litecoin, similar, 16%. Basic attention token had been doing really well, but yeah, that's come to an end. That's down 31%, but still looks fairly good on the longer term. XRP down 11. Power Ledger is a sort of very small cap. That's got waxed 20.5%. Stellar 9.6. Boba Network, yeah, nearly 25%. TRON 5%. That's not too bad, but that hasn't really been going up as much as the rest. 38% now on Cocos. So yeah, that was I still never really explained why it went up all that much. It didn't seem sort of hugely good news to be going up as much as it did. That was about £4 odd at one point. Now £1.81. New Cipher 15. EOS down 18. Solana are actually doing still pretty well, 6% up on the week, and I've put another £500 into this on Friday, unfortunately, Friday night. So I did pay sort of 160-ish. A little bit unfortunate, but yeah, wanted to carry on the NFT buying. So it's interesting. Sort of spent half of that so far and carrying on buying. Not 100% sure whether I'm throw money into a black hole at the moment, but we'll see when sentiment picks up. Maybe the NFTs will pick up as well. Dash, 21% down, not good. Internet Computer, 22%. Anchor, 26. Yeah, so the sort of a lot of the altcoins really have been hit. Quantstamp actually not too bad, 2% down. Band, 26. Audius, 19%. And Crypto.com coin, 18%. So, yeah, a bit of a mixed bag, but obviously largely down. 312, so that's 33,000 down on the week now. I mean, this is all amongst sort of bad news across the board, really, for sort of risk assets. Fed sort of saying we're no longer in temporary transitory inflation, we're in proper inflation now. So sort of people expecting potentially a rate rise, if not at least a quick sort of speeding up of the tapering for money printing. Expecting that could be sort of 4 months now from the, I think, $120 billion a month down to nothing sort of in 4 months. So, yeah, everything sort of risky, everything unprofitable stocks and sort of growth stocks, that sort of thing's got hit. As I say, the sort of FANG stocks not done too bad because they have generally very high profit margin, so they can sort of weather these storms. A lot of them have no debt, so yeah, the sort of unprofitable higher risk side has sort of taken a hit, but I'm kind of hoping this is a little bit like the sort of March crash last year, that sort of get a hard drop down and then people start to realise they want to buy it. If we're in high inflation, then you want sort of unprintable hedges and assets like gold and Bitcoin, hopefully. So we'll see where we go into Christmas. Expect this, if we are going to get a bit of a bull run, it's probably going to move into sort of Q1 now, sort of moving towards Easter time maybe as a peak, but not sure. We'll see where we go. So leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you've taken a hit, let us know and see how we move on. See you soon.